boost your English. Unpacking the meaning of confident. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a word that's all about self-assurance and positivity, confident. Understanding this term is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but it's also about embodying the attitude it represents. So, let's explore what it means to be confident and how you can use this word to express yourself clearly in English. Confident is an adjective that describes a feeling of self-assurance arising from an appreciation of one's own abilities or qualities. When you are confident, you believe in yourself and feel secure in your abilities. It's not just about being sure of what you know. It's also about carrying yourself with a sense of certainty and poise. Being confident can relate to various aspects of life, such as skills and competence, feeling confident in your ability to do a job or perform a task. Appearance, being comfortable and positive about the way you look. Decisions, trusting your judgment and decision-making skills. Opinions, having the courage to voice your thoughts and beliefs. Let's put confident into action with some examples. She was confident in her presentation skills, which made her an excellent speaker. Even though the task was tough, he felt confident that he would succeed. They are confident that the plan will work out well. I'm confident about the results of the exam. I studied really hard. These examples show that being confident is connected to an internal belief and is often projected outwardly, influencing how others perceive you. Using confident properly in your daily English conversations can help you convey your assurance in different scenarios. 1. Describing yourself. I am confident in my English speaking skills. 2. Encouraging others. I am confident that you can handle this challenge. 3. Expressing certainty. We are confident that the weather will be good for the event. Remember, being confident is a positive trait, and using this word can have a persuasive and uplifting effect on both the speaker and the listener. It's important to distinguish between being confident and being arrogant. While confident people believe in their abilities, they also recognize their limitations and are usually open to learning and improvement. Arrogant individuals, on the other hand, may overestimate their abilities and often dismiss the contributions and worth of others. Confidence is attractive, arrogance is off-putting. In today's video, we learned about the meaning of confident and how to use it in various contexts. Embracing confidence in your language learning journey is key to your progress. Remember, speaking a language confidently can be just as important as using the correct grammar. I hope you're feeling a bit more confident in using this empowering word in your daily English. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.